Hi, and welcome to the ProtoSphere immersive environment. The purpose of this video is to show you some of the basic functions of the application, like how to navigate within the 3D environment, communicate with others, and view and share content. Please remember that you can always get more information on any of these subjects by going to the online help, located in the Help menu at the top of the ProtoSphere application. To start, double-click the ProtoSphere icon on your desktop. You'll be prompted with a login screen where you have to enter your username and password. Click Submit and the application will start, placing you into the 3D environment. When you first land in ProtoSphere, your default view will be from behind your avatar. There are two main viewing modes in the environment. This one here, referred to as the third-person view, also known as the chase cam, and a first-person view, which places the camera at your avatar's head, in effect giving you a view of the environment through your avatar's eyes. You can toggle between these two views by hitting the V key on your keyboard, or by going to Tools and selecting or deselecting the Chase Cam option. In ProtoSphere, everyone has an avatar, a virtual representation of yourself. ProtoSphere allows you to change the look of your avatar through the use of the Avatar panel. This is accessible from the Tools menu at the top, and then choosing the Avatars option. The Avatar Chooser tab has some pre-configured avatars that you can select from, or you can create an entirely new look from the ground up. From here, you can customize how your avatar looks to others in world by selecting options like gender, ethnicity, hairstyle and color, and various business-appropriate wardrobe options. You can control your avatar's movements by using the arrow keys on your keyboard. Up walks you forward, down walks you backward, and the right and left arrows will turn you around. To run, hold down the Shift key while pressing on the arrow for the appropriate direction. The ProtoSphere environment is made up of a number of available spaces that you can access. If you want to teleport to any one of these other areas, you can do this in a few ways. The first, and most common, is by going to the Locations menu at the top menu bar and selecting your desired location. If you're in an area that has doors, you can click on the door to move in and out of the space. The third way is by joining another user. If I want to join my colleague in the room she's currently in, I can right-click on her name from the Online Users tab and choose Join. I'm then teleported to her location. ProtoSphere allows you to speak to other people in real time while in the environment. As long as your computer has an installed microphone and speakers, all you need to do is hold down the F12 key on your keyboard while you speak, or, with your mouse, click and hold down on the Speak button located in the Communications panel in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. These additional voice over IP controls allow you to adjust your speaker and microphone levels. The other people within your location will hear what you are saying and will be able to speak to you in the same way. If you want to break away and have a private conversation with someone, you can right-click on their name in the Users panel and invite them to a private chat. Or, you can both sit down in a private voice over IP zone, usually designated by the private zone signs and the blue halos on the floor. Another way you can communicate with others in world is by using the built-in text chat function. The chat area is located down at the bottom of the screen within the Communications panel. This is where you can either chat with everyone in your location or chat privately with another person. A private chat can be initiated in a few different ways. You can select another user to chat with from the pull-down menu where it says Chat To. You can right-click on their avatar and choose Send Message, or you can right-click on their username in the Users panel and choose Send Message. Throughout the ProtoSphere environment, you'll find various objects that you can interact with. These may include control interfaces for displaying content, pre-programmed avatar characters that act as tour guides, or even simple objects like doors and chairs. In most cases, objects that you can interact with will highlight when you hover your mouse over them. Take this chair for example. You can click on it and take a seat. To stand back up, simply move your avatar. Sometimes, objects will launch a piece of content. If you were to click on this TV screen, a small window appears that plays back the video selected. How you can interact with objects in the environment depends on how it's been customized to meet the needs of your own organization. ProtoSphere makes it easy to bring documents and files into the environment to collaborate and share with others. Media carousels, for example, allow you to upload documents, images, audio files, and web links directly from your desktop or access files that are stored in SharePoint, and collaboratively edit and view them in ProtoSphere. If you want to view something that's been added to a carousel, like this Word document, all you have to do is click on the title icon, and it will open in its native application. If you have a document of your own that you want to share with other people in the location, right-click on the Media Carousel's header and choose Add Document. Browse for the file you want to upload, add a title, and then click the Add Document button. Viewing content directly in the environment is just as easy. These multi-slide presentation boards, for example, allow you to add individual images, text, or entire PowerPoint slide decks. If you right-click on the surface, you'll see a number of different options available to you. But the easiest way to add a slide deck is to drag and drop the PPT file from your desktop to the surface. You'll see the upload progress bars appear on screen. Then once complete, you can control the presentation using the control panel to move the presentation forward or back. Well, we hope that you enjoyed learning about some of the basic features of ProtoSphere. As mentioned earlier, this information and much more is available in the online help system and available user guides. Take care now, and we'll see you in World.